So today we're going to be tidying up this edge that we took off the other day, removing this double skin. We're going to take off half the front and leave on a panel here for reference. I want to reference that angle. I don't want to get rid of that just yet. Clean it all up, and we've just been and picked up this bit of angled 1.5mm angled steel that's going to go. Can you show where it's going to go? But that's going to replace what we took out the other day to repair this panel here. Alright, day 3 on Mini Moke. My mate Andy's down.
Hey, pleased to be here. Thanks for having me.
Pleasure. Thanks for coming. Thanks for helping.
Absolutely, yeah. It's about 12 months since I was here last.
It's about that.
We've moved on. You've completed the last project. We're on to the next.
Yeah, onwards and upwards, mate.
What is the new project?
World's cheapest. World's cheapest.
World's cheapest, that's a statement.
Yeah, it was. I think it's Europe's cheapest. It was Europe's cheapest at the time I bought it.
Yeah.
In 2022. I paid €7,000 delivered from Turin for this box of metal and rust.
It's a beaut.
It's a beaut. So today we're going to be tidying up this edge that we took off the other day, removing this double skin. We're going to take off half the front and leave on a panel here for reference. I want to reference that angle. I don't want to get rid of that just yet. Clean it all up, and we've just been and picked up this bit of angled steel,
1.5mm.
1.5mm angled steel that's going to go. Can you show where it's going to go? Obviously needs cutting in, but that's going to replace what we took out the other day to repair this panel here. That actually looks tidy as it stands. It doesn't look like it'll need much fettling. Our mate Mike Mini Merchant got the angles right, helped with the measuring, which we love. Got a little infill piece to do here, but yeah, I think we're going to get some metal in the next few days. That will be exciting.
Perfect.
All right. Important bit of footage. Hey? Important stage. Yeah, it's a milestone. Toed off. Done. So I'm keeping all the bits that I'm cutting off.
Yeah.
It's quite a good reference of how it was on there.
So what's this bit here that you're taking off? What's it called?
Toe board.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's
where
you.
Yeah, exactly. That's that.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's good for reference. You can see how the layers are if you get lost.
I don't think you guys are rush, right?
Part of the problem is I've got to remove the, there's a lot of fiberglass that I've mentioned already in the video that the previous owner had bonded into the inside to stop the rust. I guess you didn't see the rust anymore, so has it stopped? I don't know. But a lot of the work it's going to be hard. There's a lot of that to get off, so I'm gonna. It's added to the workload. Yeah. But yeah, I'm happy with that. What are you doing now, Andy?
I'm making a template. We're going to cut this bit out.
Yeah.
We've marked out on this side which bit we're going to cut out, and then I'm basically making a template, and then I'm going to shape a bit of metal.
Yeah.
Out of some 1.5 sheet metal.
Copy.
And then we're going to, at some stage, it will get welded in.
Lovely. That's actually the first piece that's going to go in before we do anything else. That has to go in before this.
Okay, so yeah, so everything else can get fit to it.
Yeah. Don't forget also, we need to design in this cutout.
Okay.
For water to run through.
Okay.
I don't actually know. Oh, you can see on the bottom one actually, there's a good example of how big it needs to be. It doesn't have to be specific.
No.
It'll
just
be,
a notch.
It'll be just that height there, won't it? Like
yeah, the height,
10, just to the end.
So you can design that in as well, please.
I'll see what I can do.
Legend. Thanks mate, we'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah, catch you on the flip side. I've got a stencil, got a template. I'm just offering it up for the first time to see how close I am. So it's looking mostly good.
The lesser known Andrew Wadkin,
The lesser known Wooders,
in his natural habitat.
marking his prey before the final folding.
Did you make that ruler? No, you didn't make it. Looks like there's a welding in the ruler.
Had that since I was an apprentice. Beautiful.
Oldest ruler in the world, that.
I can't hear a word you're saying, man. I've got my ear defenders on for some reason.
Probably a good idea. Probably for the best. Come on in.
Right, get bent.
Line that up there like that. Happy. Pull those two over to lock it down.
Happy, yeah.
Lift them two up to 90. Comes that.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it, mate. Like that. And then that one, we'll just do it at the end here. Hopefully it will pass. Otherwise we have to take one of those fingers out. Yeah. Might end up having just...
Fingers.
Might have to remove that end finger.
No one said anything about removing fingers.
Take fingers off, mate.
Jesus.
So,
Wow.
just lock that one down for me, Andy. Thank you. Lift that one up for me. Woo! Look at that, teamwork.
Yeah.
There you go, sir.
All right, should we go and offer it up?
Can't see it from my house.
Did we need to take a bit more off that?
Probably we'll see that.
In the scribe.
Yeah, if you give that a little
Tickle.
well, we'll have to recut that line again then, because that's going to drop down.
Yeah.
For now, that line's good.
Yeah,
That line you could just
might
cut
come down a bit.
the line out.
It's a blade width, isn't it?
Yeah. And then do the same across there. And then you should be golden.
You said hang on. Almost like a glove.
Yeah. Oh, this top bit is, yeah,
Still that bit, yeah. It'll moan about it. But everywhere else looks really good. It's very good. Do you need some markings around here? No. No, it's for done now. Good. Really good. So this bit,
yeah.
if you cut where the line needs to be there, and cut where the line needs to be there, then close it from this side.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking of doing as much as I could, and then not sure what I was gonna do. I need a plaster. I've cut myself slightly.
shit.
It's not bad, but that's a disaster. Sorry, we should be playing that up, shouldn't we? We should be saying like, we should be, hamming it up. Yeah, like they do on YouTube, don't they? They do. They do the.
Ready?
What would your summary of our results be?
It's decent, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's a 6 or a 7.
I think yours looks particularly good.
Well, I mean, when you grind it down.
But,
This side looks pretty.
yeah, I mean, I think structurally it's fine.
Oh, it's sound, mate. What's this? We'll put some primer on it. And you'll never know it's fucking happening.
Will that cover up the sins?
Hey?
Cover up any sins?
Yeah. That's another step closer to saving this little Mini Moke. There's a few more videos coming and I hope you'll stick with us. Thanks for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe. If you've got a classic you're proud of and would like to be on our other feature Reader's Drives, just drop me a message. If you're in south of France or in West Yorkshire, maybe you'll be our next feature. Thanks for watching.